Welcome to Tribe Topper. We have MYP criterion A for math question number 2. For the data given below, determine its median. So we have 61, 72. This is the data given to us. To find the median, first of all, arrange the data in ascending or descending order. So the data in ascending order will be, so here we have the data written in the ascending order, and median is actually the middle value, but the number of observations is 12. So we will have two middle values. So the two middle values we have are 70 and 72. So median will be the average of two middle numbers. So average of two middle observations. So that gives us 70 plus 72 by 2, which is equal to 71. So the median of the given data is 71. We got it after arranging in the ascending order the average of middle values.